circular welding. Select path, add new circular path, select circle 1. A circle movement consists of a start point, a veer point and an end point. To make a full circle, you need to have 3 circular movements. You have circle 1 starts here, circle 2 here, and circle 3 here. Between the start points of each circle, you need to have a veer point. Then you're gonna add 2 more circle movements. So we have circle 1, circle 2 and circle 3. First we're gonna set our start point. Select start point, set air point, accept. Select circle 1, set veer point, move the robot to your first position, accept, set endpoint, accept, select circle 2, set veer point, accept, set endpoint of circle 2, accept, select circle 3, set veer point, accept, set endpoint of circle 3, accept. Finally you have to set air point away, lift the robot away from your weld subject and set air point. That's it.